In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily identify a song without it playing. You're just going to hum the song and you can identify it for those times when we can't remember a name, but we just have like a little piece of the song that we know. This app is way better than Shazam at doing that, and it will allow you to identify any song. So let's get right to it. It's the Google app. You can go on Play Store, and I don't know if it's on iOS. I hope it is. So you just go and install the Google app and hit open. Once you're on the home page, then you're just going to click the microphone option, and it's definitely going to catch up everything I'm saying. So basically, you can click this little button that's right here, or you can actually just say the command identify a song. I'm going to go back and do that. For example, I'm going to do Shape of You. I'm going to make a fool of myself here. But yeah, let's do it. There you go. Then we got a match for Shape of You by Ed Sheeran. If you didn't notice, I didn't say a single word of the song. I was just mimicking whatever it sounded like. If you want to contrast, go to download Shazam and try to do that to see who they will get. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you did, please leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. Have a wonderful rest of the day and stay safe out here.